In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com with Power BI. Whether you're just starting out or looking to streamline your workflow, this comprehensive tutorial will guide you through each stage of the process, ensuring you're set up for success. To begin, you'll need to log into your Monday.com account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, you can quickly sign up and set up your profile in just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, head straight to your board. This is your key hub for managing tasks and projects, and it will also serve as the base for setting up the Power BI integration. When you're on your board, take a good look at the top right corner. There, you'll notice a grid of 9 small dots. By clicking on these dots, you'll open up a menu. This menu is your gateway to the marketplace, where you can access an array of apps and integrations that work seamlessly with Monday.com. In the marketplace, head to the search bar and type in Power BI. When it pops up in the list of available integrations, select it. You will then land on the Power BI integration page. This page is full of useful information about its features and functionalities, giving you better insight into how it can benefit your workflow. Go ahead and click on the Install button to continue. The next step is crucial. You need to choose the specific workspace and board where you want Power BI connected. Think of this step as the bridge linking your analytics with the projects you're managing within Monday.com. Selecting the right workspace and board ensures that your data and insights align perfectly with your current projects. Once you've made these selections, click on Add App to proceed. At this point, you'll be prompted to authorize Power BI. This is a straightforward process. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, ticking the necessary permissions to enable the connection. Once you've completed these authorization steps, your connection will be all set. And just like that, Power BI is now seamlessly integrated with your Monday.com account. With this connection, you're all set to start syncing data, building engaging dashboards, and making informed, data-driven decisions that enhance your project's efficiency. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth guides just like this one. As always, if you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'm more than happy to assist you. Thank you for watching and happy analyzing.